Do you want to know how to properly temper chocolate and create the viral Dubai chocolate bar? Imagine silky, glossy chocolate that snaps perfectly every time. In this exclusive class, I will guide you step by step through 3 professional tempering techniques so you can finally say goodbye to dull, streaky chocolate and say hello to flawless, show-stopping treats. You'll also learn how to make the viral Dubai Pistachio Knafeh chocolate bar, a decadent fusion of creamy pistachio, crunchy Knafeh, and rich chocolate that's taken the world by storm. Whether you're a passionate home baker or dreaming of turning your skills into profit, this class will give you the confidence and know-how to impress your family, friends, and customers. Ready to transform your chocolate game? Enroll now and start your sweet success story only here at the Bailiwick Academy.